Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to comment photo in TikTok. If you've seen people post photos instead of text in TikTok comments, you're probably wondering how they did it. While not all TikTok users can post pictures in comments, we found a workaround that involves replying to existing comments with photos. To do so, use the picture icon in the comment typing area. To see if you can post a picture in a comment, tap the typing area where you'd normally type a comment. Then, tap the photo icon on the right. If you don't see a photo icon, the feature is not available to you. Second option, tap any comment on a TikTok video. If you can't comment with a picture, you can post a picture as a reply to an existing comment. This is similar to replying with a video, except it works with still photos. This method isn't perfect. Replying to a comment with a photo creates a new TikTok post for the photo. If you're worried about cluttering up your TikTok profile with photos meant for comments, you probably shouldn't do this. Tap the video camera icon. It'll be on the left side of the comment field. This icon will only appear if you're replying to an existing comment. Then, select Photo. It'll be next to the video length options. Tap Photo and select a photo. Once you choose a photo, you'll see the new post screen containing your photo. TikTok will automatically add a sound to your photo. If you don't want one, tap the X next to the sound's name at the top of the screen. You can use any of TikTok regular editing features, including stickers and text. Then, post your photo comment. Add any caption or other details to your post and tap Post. Now, you'll see your picture in the comments. Remember, your new photo comment is now also a post on your TikTok profile. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.